Hey, did you know that this little product on Amazon is making over $2 million a month? Let's take a look at this really quick. So if we take a look at this using some software tools that's going to help us identify profitable products on Amazon, we can see that this product is doing over $2 million in revenue every single month. And that's over the last 30 days. Let's take a look at another product. Sinus relief product, okay? This product is making over $400,000 every single month on Amazon. Let's take a look at another product. Simple yoga mat. This yoga mat is bringing in over $800,000 in revenue every single month. Now, the reason that I'm telling you this, people are making serious money on Amazon every single month selling some weird products. Now, what I want you to do is follow the link in this video, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how you can get your slice of the pie. Right now, I'm giving a free webinar to show you exactly how to get started selling on Amazon. If you want to create a passive income stream, follow the link to this video. I'll see you on the other side.
The course was amazing. I finally got my Amazon store up and running, and we just had our first $1,000 day. It's fantastic.
Hey Leica, thanks for getting me set up with this course. Super excited to get started building my Amazon store. The training was easy to follow. I'll send you some screenshots of my process soon. Thanks again.
Leica, I just wanted to say thank you. This is my second time attempting to sell on Amazon. Glad I decided to try it out again. Your course showed me a few things I didn't know when doing product research. I've already sold $19,000 in products this month.